In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello workspace view now. So whether you're just getting started with Trello or you've been using it for a while and you want to enhance your organizational skills, this guide will walk you through changing your workspace view with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Trello homepage. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in Trello.com. Hit enter and you'll be directed to their main page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be on your Trello dashboard, displaying all your workspaces and boards. From this main page or through the sidebar, locate and click on the specific workspace where the board you want to work on is located. This is your starting point for customizing your workspace view. Now, after clicking into your desired workspace, it's time to select the board you want to view. Each workspace can house multiple boards, so scroll through your list if necessary, and click on the board name to open it up. This will display the familiar Trello board interface with all your lists and cards in view. With your board open, we're going to change the workspace view. Look towards the top of your board, just above your first list. Here you should see a Views drop-down menu, or a series of tabs. The board view is generally the default setting, but you have several other options to choose from. When you click on the Views drop-down, you'll see options like Board View, Timeline View, Calendar View, Table View, and Dashboard View. Each of these views offers a different way of visualizing your board data and can be highly beneficial depending on your specific need. Go ahead and click the view you want to switch to. For instance, if you're managing a project with deadlines, using the timeline or calendar view might give you a clearer picture of your schedule. If you're dealing with various data sets, the table view could be valuable. Lastly, for an overview of your board's metrics, perhaps try the dashboard view. As you explore each view, you will notice that Trello allows you to easily switch back and forth between them, so don't hesitate to experiment a bit to find out which one suits your workflow best. And there you have it. Changing your Trello workspace view is really that simple. With these different views, you can now better manage your projects and keep track of all moving pieces more effectively. Remember, the key to making the most of Trello is to customize it according to your work style. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Trello.